Spragga now is like, this guy bring Bujo, come, introduce to us. So when Bujo come and Bujo Plus come to the house, Spragga bring him come and them start hang out and then end up Spragga come with him and them come to the house and do that tune. And then the Bujo gave us four tune that day. Yeah, up to now I have them tune that play. That was recorded in like on the sound system. A little sound system them time then. You know, and when him done now it's like, and him step out and gone now like Spragga said. I saw it easy. You know what I mean? So you know, it's so easy. I like it that even him left saying, yo, I'm gonna be a DJ. You know, he just left and said that. Like Buju just inspire him that day, you know? And then him call me the night with a new tune, with a record, a tune. Him said like him call me on the phone and say, hey, me write a tune, you know, listen it. And you have, you know, Supercat have this tune, I say, I'm not sure anymore. Enough man are dead, I say, enough man, that rhythm, that tune, him like him flip it and I play it. And I DJ this tune about love my gun and me now put it down and, or I said, DJ it bad enough, come here go record it because them time I don't have to ask somebody, am I sound? You just, anything, as we say, anybody in our group, if Jixie feel like, say, him feel like him can voice a tune, we just go voice it because of our sound, you understand?
Yeah, there you go.
So we just went out the next day. The Spragga was shy. Spragga lived actually beside the studio.
Which studio?
Arrows.
Okay.
Arrows in Jamaica, and actually me the first person to actually make him go in at the studio, take him in there. Okay. Right? So he was shy, I never wanted to do no studio works and stuff. So we actually start recording on the sound too, like what Buju did. And we start recording man. The people in the community start loving him, like him vibes and Ray, like we say, alright, over DJ, you know what I mean? I would start from there.
And so at what point did Spragga Benz really bust? What was the point in time that happened?
Okay, that would be when, let me see, that would be like about 92 or 93, that, you know, that was, you know, that was when you have, Annie in the ear. Cause Jack It Up was like hot, that was like his intro tune, what I call it, a demo tune and tune to the
first
debut.
tune.
That was his debut to the whole thing.
There you go.
Right? And then him start the tune like and in the ear, jump up and swear, and the girls them start follow them type of the girls them just start, you know, and matey free paper bun and all them same just and then they just take off because yeah. Because if you ask what he said that I want them favorite tune and could a deal and in the start follow up.
So how have you seen Spragga Benz's career move from Labenz?
Well, it's like a big jump, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like a big jump, and now you see he was from Kirk, and the opposite, what you call it now, community from down Kirk was south. I mean, political wise, you know, Jamaica is divided by politics really. Yeah. So you find so there was this song, Jamrock was from south. So Jamrock was the big sound in Jamaica at that time too, so he started feeding Jamrock tunes too, so that helped push all of that, you know. And yeah, you know, he was on top before you know it. Yeah, he's there, you know, and he's a good writer. He's a good writer. If you listen to tunes like How Long, a tune he did on the KIDZ drum rhythm, you know. Them tune them, I tell you, solid, you know.
Yeah, my role with Labenz is a MC. I am the one who talk on the microphone, entertain people, and Ricky Villa is a spinner, which is a selector. He finds a tune. So my role really is to MC in the dance.
Yeah, if we like, you see, I mentioned about keeping stage shows. We start stage shows on our corner in Jamaica. So when we start our stage show, we just started and we just let Gypsy MC it and the entertainers just come. And it's not a peer thing where you pay artists. We just go out there and check some artists and say, yo, come over in Sunday now, stage show on Rary. And actually, the DJ actually like our community from beginning because, I mean, it have a nice atmosphere and come to dancehall and music, you know, and thing. So, Dixie just MC all them little stuff there, you know.
And the mic man has really taken on a new role in the last number of years. I mean, that is a key part to a sound, because a sound can't survive anymore
without a mic man.
Even if the greatest dub plates, you have to have a mic man. What's your opinion on that?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. You have a lot of people who say mic man really talk too much and over talk, but he's doing his job. He's doing his work. He has to talk to entertain people. You can't just be playing music like that and you're not listening to a juggling cassette. So I'm saying, when you come to listen to sound system, you come to listen to the selector and who's talking.
Yeah, and sometimes the people them come to get some joke. Select that are the job. The selectors, them, the DJ, the one with the mic. They give joke to the girls, you know, and I mean, any farmer way you can think about it and say, oh, what the selector just say, and they laugh and they enjoy themselves.
Yeah.
That's a part of the fun, you know. You cannot just be as himself, just play like you're playing a cassette. I know, like a radio, and no one say nothing. You know, like just play music. That won't work.
What's your approach early in the dance, like the warm up? What kind of things are you saying to the crowd?
Oh, I say some little simple thing, you know, just keep my voice down at a normal speed, playing some soft vocal, because normally when I just come as a selector, doesn't business about music, don't business about tune. I didn't like to mix no music until Ricky Villa told me that I have to play my part, I have to keep practicing to mix. He's the one who teach me how to mix music and level all of those things till, you know, I finally master it, but not that well, but I can do my thing same way. So I'm saying, so actually he's the one who stood up with my career same way. That's why I can't, you know, I can't let down Labenz, no way. And I just have to keep on going.
Tell me 3 of your like techniques when you're doing mic work. 3 of the things that really gets the crowd going. It's 3 of your like little secret weapons.
Yeah, I try my little secret weapon is to keep the girls alive, saying things about the girls, like if you see this girl as a mate in the dance, you know, say things that will offend her and it offends she, but you're not really showing no words, but you know, it's a little secret thing about selector. And you know, it's a normal thing when a man say, you know, like a funny man put you in there, but we try to do a different thing.
Yeah.
So you know,
I say it's actually the same thing everybody's saying, but they say it in a different way. Like how you say, put your hand in the ear if such and such. I know they would have a next thing and say, no, if you don't such and such, keep your hand on your side. So it's like it's just flipping it around and keeping it going, you know, for just keep the dance lively, actually.
Keep them alert and know what they're listening to.
Yeah.
So the biggest forward you will get in a dance hall is when they said, all who love God, put your hand in the air and you play a God tune. So you get a forward to that.
Yeah.
So I'm saying, so it's all about keep
and
people.
And that thing about the girls, so there's no dance hall without girls, you know.
Yeah.
So from you can't keep the girls them screaming and
keep them alive. Then the dance hall move on.
Yeah.
Drinks for the ladies.
Block today, yo. I coulda keep the llama locked away, and so a guy don't get no chance to pray on me with them family. But if a guy should decide tomorrow, it's gonna be pain and sorrow. Labenz now make no boy get feisty and bright. Spragga Benz and nothing now go so. Do any partner see I not follow? See expose a guy brain and marrow. And so a fool better careful with it life and live it right, because when road boy gun them step deep on some dash it. Some boy look for you and they talk about them while and can't tame. You know what them will say, come boy out, come hype up themselves and gone. So all the original youth them what must say them a life over everything. I don't know hype. You see what I say? Yeah. Well, me and they gonna take me advice, my brethren. Cause you boy living on a fun thing. We don't got time for your laugh and I'll bring you better. When you are dealing a fun thing, make up your mind for fun boys in my brethren. Gun is not fish, you are far to post. After 12, so we don't hide gun under clothes. And from you there on the road, won't value you are 50. I said there, no? Because I say what? I will keep it anywhere in there. You see what I say? Clean out and do it. We don't cater for them on those. No, you fucking a parasite. When I talk about you, man, I'm Salamite. When I nigga get it over, I'm fast away, I give you a fight. So come back, you never fight, we no like. Watch it from a satellite. Not a feel like we prefer Nikon. I don't like to know. And that's what yo, if you go to Favela, all of the gangsters them, tell me if you know the one, yeah. The one in your mouth. Pussy one, no this say I'm a thing, I try this, I will not say, I try this, I mean, I try this, I try this, I try this, that's it, I talk. Yeah. I'm gonna say, I will keep it and give the inspiration, you see me, I say. Can't know say one man boy that don't it. Yeah, and I know the original girl is doing about 10 girls per one road. Come from who wants a tiny touch, the girl not find one much. The shy one in the top, they used to call with shiny block. You know, alright. Touchdown! And then for know, when I come for play around, you see me I say, I whole heap of youth feel a bus for you, baby shot it up on yourself. Yeah, innocent crew. Any fat man scare them, I whole heap of way. You see me I say? So we have to give up a respect straight up. Mama Villa, but anyway, we have a know. So if a gun thing, a yard man run thing, if a girl run thing, that's our fun thing. But we run thing, that's our something. Fire pan a man and a man like dumpling. No ground thing, I'm on the week. Alright, that should have come. Yeah, hold on. Pull up. It's a long journey. I know what really have a flight to catch this morning. May I hear something on the social network about this lady I say we disrespect her. We don't do them thing, you hear? So anybody who talk about it, make them know say Spragga Benz and do them thing and we love a man. Yeah. But me not a fool for woman neither. Hold on. I'm not even one that one there. Youngster thing, I'll give you one more tune before we move. I don't want to with them. I don't want to with them. But let's go to one more tune before we move.
No, I have to sing 90s tune and we have to walk.
Come on, just sing about 10 90s tune. Yeah. That one the name. That one here is a message. You see me? That one is a message. I want the people to know say I have to set up priorities right in this life. You understand what I say? Seriously now, we're on a serious note. You have some people that have everything that is new and them people have nothing. You see me? The rent, all sorts of things are supposed to up there that not deal with. But them have one new thing and them have in the trucks. That one your name. Me not done my own pump Prada. You mad? Me don't have clothes on my rada. Enough man spend them last to go shop a balaba. Long as me have life, me give thanks to the Father. Cause me need grand when me full up a swagger. And clothes that come off when gala get dagger. To out time, all me tin out and maga. Enough clothes no fit right no matter how much we spend. Just listen now. Just listen now one. Alright? Can you notice how I stay? Me not fuss about Gucci and them things, you know.
You still look sexy.
That one your name. Me not done my own pump Prada. You mad? Me don't have clothes on my rada. Enough man spend them last to go shop a balaba. Long as we have life, we give thanks to the Father. Cause me no need brand when me full up a swagger. And clothes that come off when girl with Spragga. To out time, harder me tin out and maga. Enough clothes no fit right no matter how much we spend. But still, I wear jeans no matter how much for them. A shirt, on my back, and the max at $10 for anything dog as long as it blend. So me look neat, I eat that me good. Me tell them. Name brand no put food on table, no. Name brand no pay light and cable, no. Name brand no make your life more stable. Some man spend them last and I go and let them able to, but name brand no put food in a pot, no. Name brand just in the music a lot. Why? For make you feel like you need it. But me will try it even if a cheap boot and socks. Yeah, me rather cheap boot and socks. Worse when me see them boots are tax. Me not go buy nothing for prove and chat, but I have it, my office speak truths and facts. Sure, well if you're rich by all means, go buy some. Name brand nice and I know nothing for try some. But me not buy it when my house a slide down and my family hungry dog. Me rather not buy none car. Name brand no put food on table, nah. Name brand no pay your light and cable, nah. Name brand no make your life more stable. Some man spend them last and I go and let them able to, but name brand no put food in a pot, nah. Name brand just in a movie a lot. Why? For make you feel like you need it. But me will try it even if a cheap boot and socks. Car, me wear clothes, me no wear money. Me no wear money, and me no buy self-confidence. Regular jeans and shirt and shoes clean, and me ready to meet the wife of the president. Just the peach and me pretty teeth and me composure leaking intelligence. Learn me lesson cause my mother good money spend. And same thing me I teach my children. So don't done up on the one pound Prada. You mind? We don't have clothes or rather. And that's what I talk about. Love me, yeah? Until further on. Ricky Villa. Anyway. Different. Alright, relax. I want the person now. That one of them differ, my style just differ. We just differ, my song just differ. We just differ, the flex just refer. We just differ, my sharp and richer. My style just differ, the thing just differ. We just differ, my song just differ. We just differ, my song just differ, my flex just differ, my step just differ. Well, in the liver, when I met Tiffer, or if I first met like an angel with her, me think of a misser, she just look crisper than anything that I've ever seen in a picture. Of that whipper, her eyes are lipper, front times her itch, her design just fit her. So, my pick her, remove her knicker, give her that liquor, pleasure come quicker, because me differ, me think just differ. Me just differ, my style just differ. We just differ, my song just differ, the flex just differ, the rest just differ, my sharp and richer, my thing just differ. We just differ, my style just differ. We just differ, the song just differ, Labenz just differ, Josie ways differ. Well, we no quarrel, no, me no bicker, me don't use jokes on my brew bad liquor, me use Facebook and me like IG, me no like Snapchat, but me cool with Twitter. Power with Amla, but power with bitter, so sicker. All us are bitters, and when we arrive, none of them get jitter, because them nervous, I be a chat shitter. Now your girl, my you, what's with her? She just start move like some me permitter. She act like my lighter weaker. She don't want to stop like the love bug bitter. What not till she got my sneaker. We're not that close and she want me kiss her. Cause I say I win the big me a sticker. Never yet get on my turn and twist her, but call me different. Everything just different. You see what I say? I love and respect. Until next time. Love.
Up and gunning. Yeah. Up big heart.
Yeah. This is Spragga Benz inviting you all to listen to Dougie Benz on the Benz REDSQUARE connection. Dougie Benz, Labenz. Up.
Yeah. Labenz sound every damn day. We rise and all of many and say a prayer for my friend them were gone and the one them where they are true storm and bad weather. Labenz sound better than a distant brother. Me charging me party. You have support every burden we carry. Bad vibes are war, you never run out the far from me. Don't knock out yourself with a million day today. Labenz me I go tell you today. Labenz me I go show you today. Cause a realness and a fake thing. When they are in the trouble you facing. Labenz me I go tell you today. Labenz me I fi show you today. We now wait till tomorrow. Nah ever shoot you out like a wheelbarrow. Hey, confident in you me can trust. And evidently you trust me as much so. Any move and any work to mash up doggy. We now but something you under the bus flyer. We now but something you under the bus down. We now make them put you under the dust now. Lawyer fi you fi done the money first. We now make you live in a jail and lock up today. Labenz we I go tell you today. The vibe that's a fi show you today. Cause a realness and a fake thing. When they are in the trouble you facing. The vibe that's a fi show you today. Labenz the vibe that's a fi show you today. We now wait till tomorrow. Nah ever should be out like a wheelbarrow. Car nowadays just few genuine. And everyone a try draw to you when you win. But some would pull you out the trouble where you win. Labenz don't prove you will do anything for we. Nothing not too great for me to do that for you. From me up that a dump plate a shot to you. Money grandma and transfer. With a yard you better still life conquer today. Labenz me have to tell you today. Labenz me have to tell you today. Cause a realness and a fake thing. With a yard any trouble you're facing. The vibe that's a fish show you today. Oh yeah, vibe that's a fish show you today. We now wait till tomorrow. Labenz sound again every damn day. When me rise me well a many and say I pray for me friend them we gone and the one them where they are true storm and bad weather. Labenz sound better than a distant brother. Me charge me party. Your support help the burden me carry. Bad vibes are war, you never run out the far from me. Can knock out yourself with a billion day today. Labenz me have to tell you today. Labenz me have to show you today. Cause a realness and a fake thing. When they are in the trouble you're facing. The vibe that's a fit tell you today. Oh yeah, vibe that's a fit show you today.
We now wait till tomorrow. Nah, ever should be out like a wheelbarrow. Labenz sound, #1 sound. Dougie Benz, larger. Flyer George, Donovan. Rear. Near about and far about. Jimmy Box down. The whole crew, them for know we do it ever come through. Lesson Avenue, Ricky Villa forever. Madly. Mickey Rambo, Kevin Keegan. Up there.